Hey whales, good morning. It is April the 29th. Let's recap the markets and go over NVIDIA for today's trading session. Just to give you guys an idea in terms of my trade so far for the month of April, doing quite well, up 27,000 USD, on pace for about a 300K a year, 68% win rate as well. Majority of my trades have been across NVIDIA, Tesla, the S&P 500, and you can see for the month of April in terms of the calendar view, hopefully I can end up the month strong, right? Last 2 days of the trading month. Let's see. And again, if you guys want my actual trades, entries, targets, everything that you need for day trades, come join Discord. I give everything there as well as swing trades. We do about 1 or 2 swing trades a week as well. So the link is in the bio. I look forward to trading with you and making money together. All right. So with that said, I'm on NVIDIA right now in the larger time frames, and essentially we're calling for more upside on NVIDIA, where we're going for a wave 1, 2 in blue, and then a nest with a 1, 2 in red, right? So we're trying to see if NVIDIA can keep pushing up for a series of 3s, 4s, and 5s, and ultimately what we want to see is a break above 114. We haven't broken this yet, guys, so we cannot call NVIDIA an official low at this point. We need to break above this. So essentially, right, we have a higher low that got put in place, and then if it breaks above, we have a higher high. So what does that mean? That means that this is the start of a new uptrend, and you can start buying the dips and seeing if we can keep going, something like that, right? So we need a break above the recent high on NVIDIA. Until then, we cannot call the official low as of yet, but it is still looking good. If I go down to the 30-minute time frame, just to give you guys an idea in terms of the intraday levels, again, we have a wave 1 in blue, 2 coming down, and now we're working on a 1, 2, right? So nest, a 1, 2, 1, 2, still working on 3s, 4s, and 5s towards the upside. If you can take a look at the green boxes as well, our Discord group, we longed at 93, took profits at the wave 3 high. We longed at 102, took profits at the wave 5 high. We also longed at 101 most recently, and we took profits at the wave 1 high. So we're seeing whether or not NVIDIA makes sense to go in again against this low here, right? If you take a look at this low, April 28th, and we're seeing whether or not price can essentially hold above this low for a long and keep pushing up. If not, it'll most likely put in a double where we're putting in sort of like this, right? And then it's going to push up higher, and this could be a wave 2, all right? So we're just seeing whether or not NVIDIA can do that and ultimately push higher. But what I'm thinking is, if you're going to day trade this is sort of the trade you want to take. If you get stopped out, you're going to buy the double. Okay, you're going to buy the double lower here, maybe towards 100, right? This is your next buy if you get stopped out here. You want to keep going with the trend, right, guys? Right? This whole trend is still bullish. It's still sort of in an uptrend, right? So ultimately, you want to keep going with the trend. Now, the only concerns that I have, again, this trend line has broken, okay? And again, we haven't broken above 115. So if that's the case, if this is more of a bearish path, we could flush down ultimately as well. So that's why it's super important for us to break above 115. But until then, you can keep buying on the 1-minute time frames and try to keep longing this, right? You still have this trend line as well intact. So yeah, let's see. If this trend line starts breaking, then I'm assuming that it's going to turn into a double, right? Closer to 100 before it tries again towards more highs, okay? So yeah, let's see. I'll keep you guys updated every single day. Again, come join Discord. I give my exact entries there so you don't have to really think too much, right? And I give all of my plays there. So hopefully have a great rest of your Tuesday. See ya.